my takeaway for today is my client who passed. He was an amazing person, an investor, real estate investor. He taught people, he loved people, he gave to people. And I think for him in particular, I don't think he's going to have any regret. I don't think he's going to have any specific thing that he looks back on and says he wish he did. And I want that for you also. I don't want you to be the shoulda, woulda, coulda. If he retired, he became into his means, and he focused on giving back to other people. He's one of the most giving people I've met. One of the most, one of the top 100 out of thousands and thousands and thousands of people that I've met over the years at different conferences that I've spoken at hosting different podcasts, hosting my own conferences, and YouTube and everything else that I've done. I've had the opportunity to just meet so many people, and he's one of the few, one out of 10, 1 out of 20 that I've ever met that this seems like he's there to help. He has been there to help. And when we were starting to work with these clients, because there's 3 co-hosts, it was really fun to work with all their different personalities, because we want to make sure that people are approaching the podcast with the right energy. And for example, at the beginning of this episode, I let you know, hey, this is like a different episode. So if I'm not above and beyond, if I'm not over ecstatic about life or podcasting or whatever, that there's a reason why. But generally, when I do my podcast, I want to have very comfortable personality with you. I want to be joyful. I want to be playful. I want to have fun. I want to enjoy. And rarely do we need to get like down to serious.